Why does this keep happening to me?
I couldn't wait. It's too good. Some of you may have seen in the last video, I showed these rims off. Very excited. I toiled, I stewed, I vacillated about my rims for this project. Many hours of sleepless nights. If you're from my era, and maybe your era, rims can make or break the vehicle. So we had a cold spell, man. It's been, you can check on the date when I upload this, but it's been so cold here. It's just I couldn't wait any longer. I had to come out. Sunny. I'm in the sun, so it's not bad. Of course, it's the easiest thing would be to wash this. Temperature is actually below 0, so it's not an option. Now, of course, easiest way to dress up this rim. Yay! Look how nice that looks. Get out of here. So we got valve stem. These will, I'm sure, probably push out, but easiest thing here. I don't know if you can see underneath. I'm going to change that anyway. So a lot easier just to zip that out. Enough already. So I just want to get rid of the big stuff here. Oh, I don't normally ask this, but I may have mentioned it. I'm going for a patina look on the truck. I want to keep as much of that old patina as I can. Fake as little as I can. So I'm going for that kind of rat look. But the rims, as I said, could make or can, for me, make or break the vehicle. And I would say I'm not shy to say 50% of the equation when it comes to the look of your vehicle. So finding these rims, probably overpaid for them, was a huge relief. I didn't know what I was going to do. Of course, you can buy these kind of reproduction versions of these, but man, it's a lot of money. They're period, but I thought about leaving these rims ratty, old and scratched up. I don't want to get. I'm not gonna get the chrome trim ring. Center caps. We'll see. Maybe. Yeah, leaving them all ratty and rusty and scuffed up. Maybe not. I want to go a charcoal color. So we won't paint them. But the silver isn't bad either. Could go back to silver. What do you think? White, black, gloss black, flat black, satin black, dark gray, charcoal. That's what I'm going for. Is maybe the charcoal to dark gray look. And of course, once you paint it, if you don't like it, you don't paint it again. But so this is a video about me working on my rims. 80. There we go. Some yoga mat. Stop the video, I'll get that guy off for now. Most valuable tool of this project. Dollar store. Dollar store pry bar. That is first pass with 80 grit. I don't know. I'm starting to like it. Just all sanded up. Clear coat, and then we're done with it. Oh man, I can't decide. Looks better cleaner, that's for sure. I'm sanded down to metal in quite a few places, so now what? We'll go with, well, we got 150. Let's try that. Who here finds it easier just sanding with your hand than in a sanding block? Raise your hand. Yeah. We're not going for perfection wet sanding here. We're just getting it for the truck, right? So some of these huge scratches, maybe this will help take it out, and probably stop there. But we'll see how this ends. But look, it feels really nice. Like I can barely feel anything. But I'll give her a once over. Took this from the house. Don't say anything. Ooh. Foamy. Scrubbing bubbles. Figured it was better than sneaking it into the bathtub with me. Don't pretend you haven't done it. If you can see that bendy bend, I don't know if the heat's doing a whole heck of a lot, but makes me feel a little better. Can you see? I gotta hold on to it. A lot better than smashing it with a hammer, I think. I'll try with my left. That felt like something. Woo! I can't even see a bend in it. What about the other side? Careful. Hot. Hot. This side's pretty good. So I left the valve stem on, no needle, for demonstration purposes. Let's see how she goes. Whoa. Frozen hockey puck. Easy. I am putting this on backwards, I think. This recess spot should be, yeah, should have went first. Learn from me. It's a lot harder because I'm fighting. It's why recessed in here. I knew that, of course, but seeing if you were going to catch it. Ooh. I know what you're about to say. Something about a football. Right into the snow. Yeah, that's the problem. Now that I showed you how to the wrong way, give up, go inside, get a nice club soda. Do it the right way. Lots of soap. Woo! Okay, it's on. Now you're saying, what about the bead? Oh, cut for a second here. Goes on there. We need to get a lot of air in a hurry into that wheel. Let's see if she goes. Push. Nope. It's a struggle. What about the other side? Careful.